Hello and welcome to my very first video. Today we're going to make what I believe to be my favorite drink is my take on an old fashioned. I have a bit of a sweet tooth, so you're going to see me use a little bit more cherries in my old fashioned, and I'm actually going to muscle them in here. But step one, Alexa, play Frank Sinatra.
Shuffling songs by Frank Sinatra on Amazon Music.
Right. Gotta get the tunes going. I put a couple of tablespoons of sugar. At least I think I do. I didn't really measure that, so we're just gonna call that 2 tablespoons. And I come behind that with 2 cherries that I'm gonna muddle in here. These are maraschino cherries. They're sweet and they're soaked in this syrup. And alliteration aside, I don't know where that name comes from. And you get these Angostura bitters. They also have orange bitters if you want. A little bit more tartness to it. 2 to 4 dashes. I got one on the table, so I'll throw an extra. Boom, there it is. Doesn't have to go too crazy with the muddling. Just enough to get the flavor out of the cherries. You know, this animal goes to waste, so you may have to scrape that cherry out of the bottom of the muddler. And you get 2 ounces of bourbon. You can use any kind of bourbon. Of course, the more money you pay, the less hangover you'll have in the morning. 1, 2. There you go. And you just give all that a little stir. This is where you want to get fancy. Invest in some of these sphere ice cubes. They're the best when you make these drinks because they melt a lot slower. And it'll actually change the flavor of your drink as you drink it, as the ice waters down. Give it another little stir. And you're ready. Salud.